Do you know what it is? It's time for PR! These are the PR that I received for the month of January and February. Kasi konti lang yung January ko. So, pinagsama ko na lang sila. So, let's go! Is the first one. This is the glasses from Pirmo. Pinadala nila tayo ng glasses. And ito na siya ngayon. Suot ko na siya. Ayan. This is in the style Bow 09. Ayan. Sobrang affordable lang ng glasses sa Pirmo. So, kung gusto nyo bumili, click nyo lang yung link sa link ko. Yun! Nakasingit pa nga. So, iganyan na natin siya kasi nag-glare na talaga siya sa mga ilaw ko. So, the first one is this one. This one is from Farnell. Finally, napansin tayo ng Farnell. Like, ang tagal-tagal ko nang gustong magkaroon ng Farnell kasi I never try any cushion before. So, this is the first time I'm using this cushion and I'm so excited to use this. So, thank you so much, Farnell. So, pinadala niya tayo ng 3 shades to try. So, excited. Siguro gagamitin ko ito bukas sa date namin. And then, the next one is this box. Ayan, bukas na siya. This box is from Wellage. I don't know kung paano siya pronounce. Ayan, nagpadala sila ng kanilang real hyaluronic Hyper PDRN ampule. Ang dami ko ng PDRN. And then, ito yung PDRN na capsule na sobrang trending daw nito. Like, parang pagsasamahin mo yung dalawa for deep hydration. Bagay na bagay for this winter. Thank you, Wellage, for this one. And then, this one is from, the next one is from Carasol. Ayan, pinadala niya tayo ng Gentle Grinding Cleansing Balm. At yung kanilang, uy, mask! I love mask! Carasol na Glow Organic Pro Collagen Hydrogen Mask. Thank you so much, Carasol, for this one. Matagal na silang nandito sa tabi ko and hindi ko na sila napapansin kasi sobrang naging busy din ako ng January. So, ngayon ko na lang nagawa itong haul na to. Next naman ay from Medicube. They sent me 2 packages. So, let's open this one first. Alam niyo, lagi na lang akong hindi naaabutan ng nagdi-deliver sa DHL. So, I always need to pick this up sa Maison View. Oh! They sent me the Collagen Milk Toning Wrapping Mask. Kung naalala nyo, meron silang collagen wrapping mask. I believe this is